Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we have the equation ax plus 3 squared is equal to 36, where a is a constant. We're told that x is equal to negative 3 is a solution to the equation, and from that, what is a possible value of a? So the easiest way to go about doing this is wherever you see an x in this equation, plug in negative 3. So we have a times negative 3, plugging in there, plus 3 squared is equal to 36. Everything else stays the same. A times negative 3 is negative 3a, and then plus 3 squared is equal to 36. So we have a something squared is equal to 36, which we can think of as 6 squared. So we can take the square root of both sides, but we have to be careful here. So square root of 6 squared is just 6, right? The square root of anything squared is just itself, so we can think of it as these basically canceling. It's not quite that easy when you have a variable. It's close. So you have negative 3a plus 3. The square root of that squared is equal to just negative 3a plus 3 if the thing that's in the square root, or sorry, the thing that's being squared is greater than or equal to 0. If it's less than 0, then negative 3a plus 3 is equal to negative 6. Why is this the case? Well, if you take the square root of a positive number squared, this is just the square root of 16, which is equal to 4. So you can think of it in this case as just the square root and the square cancel out. But if you're taking the square root of a negative number squared, negative 4 squared is 16, the square root of 16 is 4. This is not the same as canceling these out because this is not equal to negative 4. It is equal to negative of negative 4. So negative 3a plus 3, if it's less than 0, is equal to not 6, but negative 6. And then when you solve these two equations, these are the two possible values for a, given that x equals negative 3 is one of the solutions. So we want to have, we can get rid of these parentheses, they're not really doing anything. We have negative 3a plus 3 is equal to 6. So if we subtract 3 from both sides, these cancel and we get negative 3a is equal to 6 minus 3, which is 3. Similar thing here. Negative 3a is equal to negative 6 minus 3 is negative 9. Now we can divide both sides by negative 3 to get a on its own. We get a is equal to 3 divided by negative 3 is negative 1. Divide these both by negative 3. These still cancel, and you get a is equal to negative 9 divided by negative 3. Again, these cancel. 9 divided by 3 is 3. So these are your two options. A is equal to negative 1, and a is equal to negative 3. And C, negative 1, is the only answer that lines up with one of these. None of these have 3 as the answer, so C is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and we'll see you in the next video.